So we're all having an awesome day catching peacock bass and largemouth bass. We got an amazing video for you guys, so stay tuned. First cast.
Nice. That's a good one too. Oh my goodness.
Shot, Ryan.
Trying to take up the whole boat.
Woo, nice peacock. Oh, yay.
Oh, nice.
Woo! Oh, he's so pretty.
Nice fish.
That's a
He
good
is.
one. That was a good one.
He was just sitting over there waiting for me.
Oh,
Come
heck
on,
yeah.
baby.
And starting large right away. Did you just miss one?
No pressure. Oh, yeah!
Nice job.
Nice. I love it. I love it.
Right.
All right. First peacock of the day.
And it's a good one too. Boom.
Wow.
Boom.
It's a monster.
That's a beautiful fish.
Look at my fish, Ryan.
Super nice.
That's a 4-pounder all day.
Wow.
I had the double too, and I blew
Oh my
it.
goodness.
You blew it. That's a nice one.
I want to make sure I'm not.
That's how you start out. Oh, Ryan's on.
That's how you
Ryan's
do
on.
it, Ryan's on.
Yeah, here, let me.
Oh, get him, babe.
Here,
Get
jump
him.
him in the net there, Vicky.
Okay.
Got him. He's gonna jump. Come on, listen, triple up.
Come on, come on, come on.
Lissy, throw right there. I just seen one roll. Like right by that coconut.
All right, we got one in the net. Ryan's on.
Ryan's got a good one, and we got one just patiently waiting in the net.
Oh,
That's a
stud.
good one, yeah.
Nice! Get him in! Yes!
Look at that, 2 in the net. How's that?
Oh, wow!
That is
Good
a pile of peacocks in the net.
job! It's a way to start the morning, guys! Oh, baby. How's yours look?
Oh, is that your shad
Yep.
jumping, Lissy?
Yep.
Oh, he's about to get eat.
Gotta toss you all the way back over there.
Got him!
Get him.
Get him!
Yeah, you're good. You just go right over. Are you going to just trade places, guys? Oh, yeah. One for Lissy.
Woo! Another beautiful fish.
All right, nice job, Lissy.
Babes, putting us on the fish already. I love
Right.
it. You already stabbed me once, so don't stab me again.
Oh,
Angry fish.
great.
Oh, we're doubled up.
Double.
Oh, yeah, double up, double up.
That's a largemouth. Lissy got lucky.
Oh,
Tail walk.
tail walking largemouth.
Where's it a peacock? I don't know.
No, it's a large.
This one's Vicky.
I think I gotta pee.
Vicky's got to pee. Watch out.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a drag burner.
Drag burner.
Oh, that's a nice one. He just looked like Dickie Moe out there.
Tiki Mo.
Holy crap.
Woo, he's pretty. Look at this one.
Nice.
I wish you could wait on this side.
Yeah.
Good, excellent.
Woo!
Good fishing.
Oh my God, he's a fatty.
Boom. Right.
We only catch monsters here, right?
Specializing in large.
Peacock Bass Adventures.
If you want, I'll get you a still shot too if you want.
Yeah. Another nice large peacock bass. Gonna release this guy.
Lissy's got him on again.
All right, let's release him. Woo. Go, go, little guy, go.
Here.
Woo.
Come on in. A good one?
Yes. Oh, it's a good one.
It is a
Yeah,
good one. Here,
it's a
let me.
good size. Oh yeah. Oh heck yeah. Woo! First largemouth of the day.
Oh yeah, that's a nice bass. That is a nice bass. Nice. Nice.
Doubled up.
Doubled up. Here, let me go this way.
Yes, yes, yes.
That's a
Oh
really
my
nice
gosh, Vicky,
Good
that's
bass,
a nice
huh?
bass. I'm so excited. I love it. Oh, I love
Fella
catching
go.
chunky large.
I do too.
Largemouths are awesome.
Yes,
I
they
love
Look at that
are.
bass that Vicky just got.
Look at the belly on this
I was
thing.
not expecting that. Wow.
Oh, is that
Oh
you?
my
Bring your bait up there.
gosh.
That
That
was
was
a
an
stud right
explosion.
That
there.
was huge, that fish.
That just gave me goosebumps just hearing that sound.
Is your bait over there, Ryan?
It's right there. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna bait Lissy, then I'll take some guys
Are you good?
Real. That thing was huge. I saw it.
Just the sound gave me goosebumps.
All right,
Nice
Ryan's
fish, look
on.
at this fish.
Actually, let me do it. And
Yeah.
You don't even know
Oh.
what's happening there.
Oh!
Another fish just ate the shiner off of it. Stud, this thing.
Get him in the net, Ryan.
You gotta get him in the net. You're the netter.
Oh my God, he's a stud.
Get this thing already, Vicky.
Come here.
Nice.
Oh my God.
Nice.
Nice one. Good
Nice job, guys. Right.
Good job, Ryan.
Woo, look at that guy.
Yep. That's a brute right
Wow.
I'm gonna get the smaller one out of the.
there. That is a brute. Yeah, you know.
Old hump. Ow. Old humphead Bobby right here.
Humperdink.
I never realized those things were soft. Touch that thing. Touch that, Vicky.
Oh, gross.
Look at the colors on this fish, guys.
Hey, we'll trade him out into the well.
Look at that. Look at the eye right there. How sick that is.
Mm-hmm. All right, put him in the well. What do we got in there?
Look at them, beauties. Beauties.
Nice.
There's the 3 studs in there.
Mhm.
I love it.
Oh!
Did he miss you? Oh,
Greenback.
what happened?
Wahahabawa.
Could have doubled up. Alright, well, I'll net yours then. Missed a double up, so
Nice fish again. Real nice fish.
I'm gonna net
Real
Ryan.
nice
I'm gonna
fish.
net Ryan's.
That thing is studly.
Hold on, Vicky.
Okay,
Watch my head. Watch my head. Ready?
long-
Coming back around.
long
Ready for the net?
Nice.
Woo!
Nice. Gosh darn, that's a
Holy
good one.
moly!
Did you miss one, Lissy?
Yep.
I'm gonna start taking points off you guys for missing all these
Vicky,
fish.
we're an embarrassment.
Oh,
Another nice hump head.
Ryan's got a nice peacock. I'll be catching all the big ones today, huh?
That's what I do.
Nice peacock.
Oh my God, was that close? I thought I was gonna land my shad right on it.
Nice.
Oh yeah, that's a real good
Nice
one.
fish. Real nice.
Real
Pull
good.
me in. How you going?
Just donated that. Here, I'll hook you up. Here, let me see your hook.
Nice job.
In the net.
He's in the net. Oh,
All right, tripled up. Ryan's got a largemouth. Got my peacock in the net. Try to get one more.
oh man, that's a big one too.
Got him.
Nice job, ladies.
Vicky.
God darn.
Yeah. Woo! I love it. I love it.
Yeah,
Good job.
you guys are crushing those peacocks.
Wow.
Look at
I
that.
know.
Look at that. That is a
Keep the
net
same
full of
picture
peacock
up.
bass.
Let's get a little release
girls.
on video. Double release. Nice job, lady.
Good job, man. Start beating them down.
Good job, Brian. Oh my God, your hands are covered in scales. Show
Oh
it
my
on the
gosh,
camera.
look at.
Welcome to my world, dude.
Yeah, it looks like you got shad gloves on. You got a Michael Jackson glove.
Alright, Ryan.
Stud. This is a stud right here. Holy, this is probably.
Big fatty. Oh, look at that boil. Holy moly.
Did I hook him in his hump? No.
Oh, he's a good one.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
He's humped out.
Woo!
Nice job.
Nice job,
Hey.
Nick.
Yeah,
Thanks.
really nice fish here today.
Oh, he is big.
What a nice fish, man. Holy moly.
Alright, let's see.
Go right here.
I know. I'm like, I don't waste any time. Like,
Beast
when you
mode.
guys doing that, I'm like,
Oh, man.
You knew that was coming. Nice one, Ryan.
Let's see what that guy weighs. I bet
Take a
he's...
picture of it.
Holy moly, we got a hump.
Oh, that's a good
Here, that's a good
picture.
pick. Just stay just like that.
Look at a hump like that.
Yeah, that's super cute.
God,
I'm gonna
that
get
duck
myself
scared
ready,
me.
honey. Oh yeah.
We got him.
Perfect.
We got him good.
All right,
All right, let him go.
kiss the fish and release.
Oh.
You son of a gun! You knocked me over.
I'm fighting you for that fight.
Go, go, go.
Fight.
Bring it. Victoria, bait.
Oh, wow.
What a nice one.
So pretty.
Built like a brick, isn't he? Like a
Right.
cinder block.
Solid.
Oh! He's ready to be gone.
Scared me.
There, Vicky.
Nice. Woo.
I think you caught all the big fish out of this back corner, Ryan.
Whoa.
Ryan, down you.
Got there, Vicky.
Hopefully a nice peacock. Let's see. Whoa, he's
Nice fish.
Get my net there. Thank you.
yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, I missed him.
Ah!
Man, this guy with the net sucks.
Woo!
Nice job, lady.
Yeah.
All
That's
right.
a good one.
That thing is a brick, man. Look at the way he's shaped.
Oh, wow.
Look at the hump on that thing.
Look at that. Hump day.
Beautiful.
Nice fish.
Thank you. Yep. I think I do.
I love it.
I can feel him.
Woo! Look at this guy.
Do a little.
Nice.
That's good.
All right.
Nice job, ladies.
Sweet.
job.
Good job.
Thanks, babes.
Like,
He's a nice
he's
one.
a good size.
Yeah.
I'll take him. I'll take him.
There's some big peacocks over here.
Right.
Awesome morning so far.
Yeah, man.
And it's only, what,
You guys are doing good.
10 o'clock?
We're slaying them, and it's only 10.
Nice.
Yep.
Beautiful.
I love them.
Right.
Get a little closer to her.
Good one.
Trying to get out of the way.
Nice.
Woo!
Nice job, girls.
Oh,
All right. Excellent.
another peacock.
Two. Okay. Yeah, you got him.
Perhaps.
Stay there, fishy. Just hold him up a sec.
Oh,
Angry little sucker.
you got me good. Awesome. All right. Beautiful peacock bass.
Yep.
Gonna release this guy.
Right.
What is it? Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
Good little guy.
See you, buddy. Little splash on the way out.
Here we go. Nice.
Doubled up here. Nice.
Woo!
I know. The Ulysses is definitely nice. I think they're both nice ones. These are both good fish.
I don't know. I don't think my guy is yet. I don't know.
That's a nice fish. There you go. Nice.
Right.
Come over and get
Yep.
Vicky's.
Oh, he's
Definitely
pretty.
a nice one. Real nice one here.
Oh my
Oh, I missed him.
God.
Nice job, ladies.
All
All right. Oh,
He's pretty.
boom.
Oh my gosh, that is. Oh, look at the spots. He is gorgeous.
Tripled up.
Triple.
Oh, nice.
Get him, Ryan.
Is it the big
I
girl
was
you've
like,
been?
I was like, my line's swimming out there.
Is it the big girl you've been chasing?
I've been trying to chase it.
Two in the net. About to have a
All
third.
right, we're gonna have a third. Go, guys.
Nice fish, real nice fish.
Yeah. Peacock Bass Adventures. That's what we do.
This is
That's what we do.
putting us on the fish.
Oop.
Oh, oh.
That's probably the one that blew up, Ryan. I just gotta be careful.
Oh, he's
Oh,
pretty.
Look at
Woo!
I need a bigger net. Oh my gosh, Ryan, that's a nice fish too.
Oh my goodness.
That thing's heavy, huh?
Yeah, man. That's a That's a lot of peacock bass in the net.
He just hooked right. Perfect lip.
Wow, he's
So it doesn't snap it.
big.
Perfect. Oops.
Oh,
You little son of a gun.
good.
Just watch that the other two don't flop out of there. All right. Let's see, this one's yours.
All right.
And Vicky, I'll-
Here's peacock bass for you.
Yeah.
Peacock bass for you.
You get a peacock bass, and
You
you
get
get
a
a peacock bass.
Yes.
Where are we going, in the back or the front?
I would go to the back.
All right. All right, we got the triple up. We're gonna release these babies.
All right.
Ready? Good. 1, 2, 3. Go! Oh my God, he's going so slow.
So slow. There he goes, though.
Go!
He's good. So slow.
Got him.
All right. Oh, he got you good.
Oh yeah, he was.
Right! Heck yeah.
Yeah. I'm like, look, he was angry. I know.
Show the camera. What did you get? What did you guys get? Little souvenirs.
Yeah.
Peacock bass.
Yes. Exactly.
What happens when you catch 40 peacocks?
Woo! Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for many more fishing videos from me in the future. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it.